Hey YouTube, this is Mr. Nuts Zombie 34 here with my diecast World War II airplanes. Some of these were in the major events that helped us win World War II, and I've done my research, and I'm sure it is 100%. So, first off is going to be the B-47. Great detail. I love the detail. My Spitfire, which was involved in the major Battle of Britain. So, my Japanese Zero, which was a part of Pearl Harbor. I do know that for sure. So, here are my dive bombers. The F4U B variant. Love the detail. The only downfall with this, flaw with this, is you can't retract the wheels. I know it's supposed to be a die cast that you put on the stands, or you can set it like on a flat platform. Like if you make a custom airfield or aircraft carrier, you can do that, but you should still be able to retract the wheels. And this is the A variant. Love the underside. And you can see the bomb. Now, my friend gave me this, so the back of the bomb isn't really that good. Half of it's broke off. Yeah, I'll show you the difference of the bombs of the A and B variant. B variant has a non-broken bomb. The A variant so far, not so much. I think it's supposed to be like that, but the wheels are broke off too. So now onto my bombers. First up is the British Mosquito. They also have a Australian Mosquito, but I've yet to find one. Well, they had a Australia had a Mosquito, but I don't think they have it in stores. Cool. So this is my World War II B-25, and this was, I think, I know this helped us win the war with Japan, so yeah. So I think this did help us win the war with Japan after a few years after Pearl Harbor, before the B-29 had the atomic bombs dropped on Nagasaki and Hiroshima. Speaking of Hiroshima, I read the book about Hiroshima, and I can just imagine what happened after that. It must have been all dusty or full of sand. So, yeah, it's pretty sad. Imagine what the pilots went through, and the crewmen and the civilians themselves. So, this I call it. I call this next bomber, the Europe winner. This bombed Europe, I think, about numerous times. If it ever did bomb Europe or somewhere. I know it wasn't France because we wouldn't bomb France. So here is my favorite bomber of them all in the U.S. arsenal, the B-17. I know there's a propeller missing on this plane because I got it out of my storage, whatever. But nothing else with that. I sometimes use this little part. I think this little part right here is the Bombay. Should really put Bombay doors on this. Make it look more realistic. Removable Bombay doors. Make it look more realistic. But I gotta say, the people who the name of the I can't remember the name of the company, but they went all out on this one. The only two downfalls with this, the only downfall with this is no removable Bombay doors. That's the only downfall. Put the 25 in my. I already did all the planes. All right. I'm gonna run through all the planes again in case you didn't get to see one of them. So, the Spitfire, the A variant of the F4U. The propeller just broke off of this. My friend gave it to me in case you didn't notice. And the B variant. I don't really know what the arrows are. I don't know what the arrows are there for. But anyways, the Japanese Zero. My Mosquito. My B-47 or P-47. It's actually P-47. P-47 Thunderbolt. I got mixed up with the B variant. My B-25. And my B-17. Says Mitchell on there. Miss Michelle. Yeah. Does it really say that? Alright, rate, comment, and subscribe. Mr. Zombie 34 signing off.